Many years ago, a girl came to me for a weight loss session, and we had multiple. I think we had three sessions, and in after the third session, she had not lost a single pound, which was surprising for me. On top of this, this girl was going to gym every day with her mother, like 5 days a week or 4 days a week, and spending like 2 hours. And her mother said she sweats profusely when she's in the gym, but she has not lost a single pound. So I asked that girl, it's like I asked her mother to stay outside and just spoke with her. And when I talked to that girl, I said, it's like, I understand. Now, let's suppose I can understand hypnosis may not be working for you. But what I don't understand is your mother is telling me that you're spending hours in gym every day and you're still not losing your any weight. Tell me what's happening. And then she said something, and she said, Kamran bhai, the issue is my parents want me to get married, and they have seen this guy for me. And the only issue that those people have is they say this, girl is like kind of chubby and it would be nice if she loses some weight. And I don't want to get married. Okay? She didn't want to get married to that guy. And since she did not want to get married, even though she was doing everything, including hypnosis, but there was no result. So for anything, there's a price. Ask yourself, be brutally honest with yourself. This is the reason when, it's like sometimes we set goals for ourselves and we are not willing to pay any price for that. And then we complain. Sometimes we do things just to show people that, oh, I'm doing my part. I'm going to the gym every day. Okay. I am even doing these hypnosis sessions for you. I am doing this, and still I'm not getting any results. The reason is because those people are not willing to pay the price. If you're not willing to pay the price, don't waste your time in this. Okay, don't waste your time in this goal. It will not be good for you.